I bet when you think about manufacturing in Bristol, medical products isn't the first thing that comes to mind. Hello everybody, I'm Mark Thomas. Our heritage, and including today, Bristol companies are manufacturing parts and components like screws, coils, and other components for the auto and aerospace industry. Today's manufacturing is truly different. Good pay, good opportunity, good hours, and a clean environment. You need some proof? How about Beekley Medical? They make components for CT scanners and even tablets for aromatherapy. Let's take a look. Beekley Medical's goal is to help positively impact patients' lives and to improve clinical outcomes. To do this, they partner with customers, clinicians, and even inventors to produce professional products that replace makeshift components or perhaps improve upon current methods. Young professionals carefully monitor to ensure the products meet tomorrow's needs today. One of those is a young woman named Correa, a recent graduate of Bristol Adult and Continuing Education's manufacturing program.
I'm a CST medical inspector, so I've inspected medical products. I've gotten a couple recognitions for producing over 60,000 boxes. This is our Bella blankets. This is for a mammogram, and I love the attention to detail. This is like my little work family. I feel so comfortable here, and I strive to be here many, many more years. I've always wanted to have a career in manufacturing since I was a teenager. So I love hands-on work. I like the fast pace. I like building stuff with my hands, and the year flew by, and I want to continue learning, and this company has encouraged me to not only stop here, but to continue furthering my education. I eventually want to go into CNC programming. Right. So, and they helped me out here, and they gave me the tools to succeed. Taking this as a career, I recommend and would recommend it to any woman to go out there and get it done. I want to keep going.
Believe it or not, there are over 13,000 manufacturing jobs unfilled right now in Connecticut. The good part is, though, there's plenty of training in our area, and information on those programs is as close as your computer. Check out the Bristol Adult and Continuing Education Center, Bristol Technical Education Center, and Tunxus at Bristol.